run going at the end of the first round and into the second round. So the guys that are up there right now, ang laking advantage kagad para sa kanila.
Arboleda, fourth tray, short. That's a tap out by Mark Caguioa. 9:09 to go in the first half of play. We welcome you to PBA Wednesday, live from the Big Dome. Nico Halili kasama si Jason Webb. Kanina, narinig yung tinig ni Dominic Uy. Sama rin natin si Amargo Vargas sa kanyang Los Cuatros Fantasticos. As Alex Crisano gets tagged with his second personal foul.
The pickup of Barangay Ginebra of Alex Crisano, probably one of the more subtle moves, but one of the most important moves para sa kanila dahil sa ngayon, ang mga teams kinukuha nila mga import that are 6'8" and above, and now they have Alex Crisano that can guard these imports if and when your import has to stay on the bench.
Billones with an interception. Billones over to Homerse. 4 points tonight for Homerse. 8:41 remaining here in the second period. Here's Tubit. Tubit left corner, and now Alexander at the post. Alexander working on Homerse. Alexander makes his move, bothered by Steve Thomas. And Artadi picks the pocket of Arboleda.
Tumawag ka ng pulis, nahulihan yung snatcher.
Bihira yun na. Here's Helterbrand. Helterbrand. Artadi. Helterbrand. Fixed. Helterbrand goes out. Tubit fires. And Arwin Santos is all alone for two.
Only the first 2 points para kay Arwin Santos. We talked about him playing defense on Mark Caguioa, and obviously his offense also suffering dahil kung sa depensa ang kanyang kailangan ni concentrate kay Mark Caguioa.
32-29, lamang ang Ginebra. Here's Alexander. That's a reach and foul against Homerse.
Too many reach-ins by both big men on both sides of the court, and that's why we've seen so many fouls para sa Ginebra at Air 21.
Well, you could say na yung both teams are very conscious kasi yung mga post threats ng dalawang kupunan.
And both teams don't want their big men to be behind or being posted up by the other one straight up. They don't feel confident in that situation. And that's the reason why pinakita sa atin nitong si Chris Alexander.
Nine points tonight para sa import ng Ginebra. Here's Thomas against Crisano. Nice touch para kay Steve Thomas, who now has 15. We approach the last 7 minutes of the second quarter. Tatlo ang kabante ng Ginebra. 34-31, and Crisano comes up short. Here's Arboleda. Galit na galit itong si Steve Thomas. Kulang na lang may usok na lumabas sa kanyang ilong. He's really intense. He's pumped up. He's all fired up for this ball game.